Hey guys, this week we're going to be making this candle holder. Stick around. Hello and welcome to this week's edition of BS with AJ. As I said before, this week I'm going to be showing you how I made this candle holder using the lathe. Now first we're going to start off by grabbing a piece of oak branch that's about 3 inches in diameter and about 6 or 7 inches long, and we're going to go ahead and put it on the lathe. Alright, but before we get started on that, if you like videos like this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and consider supporting BS with AJ on Patreon so we can do bigger and better projects for you guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down in the comment section below. Let's get started. Alright guys, we got our piece trued up now, so what we're going to do is go ahead and bore this out so we can put our candle in there. We need about 1.5 inches diameter, so I went ahead and set my calipers at 3/4 of an inch, which is the radius basically. So we're going to go ahead and bore this out. We're probably going to go 3/4 of an inch, maybe a 1/2 inch deep, something close to that. We're going to start off with a 3/4 inch Forstner bit, and we're going to go ahead and clean it up with our chisels. And then we're going to go ahead and work the outside and make it look nice. Alright guys, well here's our final product. I didn't mention it as I was doing it, but before I finish, I took a cloth and I put some CA glue on it and just put a real thin coat all over this thing and let it dry for a few minutes. And since it's CA glue, it dried pretty quickly, of course. And I came back over it with a piece of steel wool to go ahead and smooth it all out. After I got done with that, I took some paraffin wax, just a couple little chunks of it, and put it on a rag, and it kind of ran it across it as the lathe was moving. That way it heated it up and kind of melted it onto this. It made it really slick, and it made it look really shiny too. I like it a lot. So if you like videos like this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and consider supporting BS with AJ on Patreon so we can do bigger and better projects for you guys. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down in the comment section below. I'll see you next week.